In the picturesque Maldives, a brand named Napeeto was born. It started as a humble endeavor but soon blossomed into something extraordinary, driven by a vision to promote Maldivian culture and tradition through its unique collections. Napeeto's journey began with a deep passion for fashion, a love for quality, and a desire to connect with people around the world. The brand set out on a mission to build a great community, one that thrived on innovation, uniqueness, and comfort. Drawing inspiration from the breathtaking beauty of the Maldives, Napeeto embarked on a quest to create fashion that truly resonated with individuals of all ages. The brand's designers scoured the globe to find exclusive fabrics, carefully selecting materials that embodied both quality and comfort. But Napeeto's aspirations went beyond just creating fashionable clothing. The brand sought to make a difference in the world, to leave a positive impact on communities near and far. With a strong commitment to giving back, Napeeto supported local schools, charities, and organizations dedicated to education, the environment, and other meaningful causes. As Napeeto grew, it became known for its authentic collections that celebrated Maldivian history, art, and culture. Each design carried a story, a connection to the vibrant heritage of the Maldives. From the patterns inspired by the majestic Napoleon fish to the beach and water sports enthusiasts' exclusive line, Napeeto Waves, every piece represented a piece of the Maldivian soul. The brand's success was fueled by its dedicated team, passionate individuals who believed in the power of fashion to inspire and unite. They poured their hearts into every stitch, ensuring that each Napeeto creation was a testament to their craftsmanship and devotion. Customers around the world embraced Napeeto, not only for its stylish offerings but also for the sense of community it fostered. People felt connected, part of something greater than themselves, as they adorned themselves in Napeeto's unique collections. And so, the story of Napeeto continues to unfold, driven by a relentless pursuit of excellence, creativity, and cultural preservation. The brand's journey is a reminder that fashion can be more than just garments. It can be a vessel for self-expression, a bridge between cultures, and a catalyst for positive change. As the sun sets over the turquoise waters of the Maldives, Napeeto stands as a beacon of inspiration, inviting individuals to explore their true style, to embrace their uniqueness, and to be part of a community that celebrates diversity and shared values. In the ever-evolving world of fashion, Napeeto remains steadfast, weaving threads of tradition, innovation, and passion into every creation. With each collection, they continue to redefine what it means to be fashionable, reminding us all that true style comes from within, and it has the power to shape our world. Join Napeeto on this remarkable journey, where fashion meets culture, and together, let's create a tapestry of inspiration that transcends borders and celebrates the beauty of our shared humanity.